Okay, ignore the mess, but these potatoes, these are just barrels that I bought. They're $13 each. They're food grade. They used to have olives in. I just cut them in half. These are ideal to grow potatoes. Now all these potatoes are just old bags of potatoes I bought from the shop, local supermarket, cheap, only a couple of dollars or an offer, because they were going out of date. Just let them chit and started to sprout. And there's a few different types of potatoes. So you can see they're dying off now, they're starting to go a bit yellow. So once they die off like that, I'll probably give it 3 weeks, and then the skin will harden up a bit. And then I'll harvest all the potatoes, so I'll be interested to see how many I get. Okay, I think the time has come to dig up the potatoes and let's see what we got. That's what we got. Got some ears. Okay, so the results are in. So we'll start from the left. This didn't do too well. This is just some brushed potatoes. So it's 2 kilograms to start with. And I only got 1.37 kilograms. So that was about $1 for that bag. So the value of that is about $2.74. So I didn't make much on that. The organic ones though, look at this. There's about 2 or 3 bags. They've done really well. It's got 15.4 kilograms, so at $5 each kilogram, that's $77 worth of value. $77 worth of potatoes there. Move on to this one. This was Kestrel, 2 bags at $4 for the total. So at $3.75 kilogram, so it's $31 worth of value there. These are unknown, so the labels and the bags either blew away or worn away. So I'm just going to assume it's $3, we'll go midway, $3 a kilogram, so it's $30 worth of value there. And this is really interesting. So these are actually proper seed potatoes from Aldi. There's 1 kilogram, $10, and only got 1.9 kilograms out of it. So the value is $5.7. So I actually lost money. So overall, $146 worth of value of potatoes, well, minus the $24 for buying the potatoes in the first place. That comes up with $122 saved. Pretty pleased with that first crop. So just look at the mess I got myself into. Although these have been great, probably a little bit too big really, and they're quite hard to get all the soil out. A bit back-breaking. I reckon next year I might do more of these, use more of these buckets, and perhaps have fewer potatoes in them. Perhaps I should go for 2, 3 in each. I reckon that'd be a lot easier to manage. So now I've got to sort this out. So what have I learned? So, just like I said, I think we'll move to the smaller containers next year, perhaps. I don't think I'm going to bother with the brush potatoes. Definitely go for the organics. So I'll look for the organic and the kestrels, and perhaps some other varieties, just see if they come cheap throughout the year. So it's March now, they've got to go in the ground, so September, October in Melbourne. So if there's any cheap, keep an eye out, and then keep it dark, then bring them out around that time. I'll have another go at the seed potato. I don't know why these haven't done so well, but to be honest, that is so good. The organic ones, I think I'll try that again. Anyway, thanks for watching.